You've probably heard a lot about PFAS in the news. PFAS refers to a family of man-made chemicals that were first created in the 1940s. PFAS are the main ingredient in a lot of products that are used today. We're talking about firefighting foam, water and stain-proofing products, and grease-resistant food packaging. Although these products offer a lot of benefits, scientists have found that PFAS do not break down easily in the environment. Once there, PFAS chemicals can travel through water and enter the bodies of people and animals. This is concerning because PFAS can build up over time in people, fish, and animals. PFAS have been linked to some health problems like human reproductive and immune system issues and certain cancers. Since 2017, Michigan has been looking for sources of PFAS in the environment by testing drinking water, lakes and streams, and groundwater. We've found really low amounts of PFAS nearly everywhere we've looked for it, but we've found higher amounts at places like airports, tanneries, landfills, and metal plating businesses. Because we've found PFAS at some of these locations, Michigan started testing public drinking water supply systems for PFAS in 2018. About 75% of Michigan residents get their water from a community public water supply, which you are likely connected to if you get a water bill. You can find the PFAS test results for your water supply by contacting your local municipality or by visiting Michigan's PFAS Action Response Team's website. If your home uses well water and you're concerned about PFAS, consider testing your water. For more information, call your local health department or the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services hotline.